Good morning student, welcome in our today's session. In last time we start our second paper, second lecture, that is linear regression equations of y on x and linear regression equation of x on y. Now we start our next point, that is properties of regression coefficient. That is regression coefficient. There are two types of regression coefficient. First x, that is bxy, and second one is b1 x. And now we see the next one point, that is correlation coefficient, which is denoted by r. Now we are going to see some properties of regression coefficient, that is bxy and byx. The first one is relation between correlation coefficient bx1 r square is equal to bx1 into byx, and next one, that is the r correlation coefficient is lies between -1 to 1. The range -1 less than r. Correlation coefficient is lies between -1 less than equal to 1 or less than equal to -1 or +1. Next one, we see the next property, that is bxy plus byx divided by 2, which is greater than the value of this modulus of r. R means correlation coefficient and these are regression coefficient bx1 and byx. Next one more point, that is we see the value, the correlation coefficient, sign of correlation coefficient is depending upon the sign of regression coefficient. That is, if the both are bxy and byx are positive, then the correlation coefficient is positive, and if bxy and byx are negative, then the sign of this r, that means correlation coefficient, is less than or it is negative. Next one, we see that the formula for r is equal to plus minus in root byx into bxy. Now here we are defining a new formula. In last lecture we see the formula for this r, that is correlation coefficient is equal to covariance of x divided by sigma x square into sigma y square. Last time we defined this formula for correlation coefficient. Now we define some another formula, that is, see here what is the formula for byx, that means covariance of xy divided by sigma x square, or it may be written as a variance of x. And the next one, that is bxy is equal to covariance of xy divided by sigma y square. See here, r is equal to covariance of xy upon sigma x square into sigma y square. Since covariance of xy is what? Is equal to r into sigma x square into sigma y square. What is formula for covariance? R into sigma x square into sigma y square. Now you use this covariance of xy in here. Therefore byx is equal to, what is value of covariance of xy? R into sigma x square into sigma y square divided by sigma, here not sigma x square, only sigma x into sigma y. Then it is r into sigma x sigma y. We put the value of the covariance of xy, since r into sigma x sigma y divided by sigma x square. Since sigma x square will get cancelled, then we will get byx is equal to r into sigma y divided by sigma x. Next, one more formula we define for the correlation coefficient, regression coefficient. byx is what? R into sigma y upon sigma x. Next, see again here, bxy is equal to, what is covariance of xy? R into sigma x into sigma y divided by sigma y square. Therefore byxy is equal to r into, again the sigma y will get cancelled, hence it is sigma x divided by sigma y. So here we define the two new formulae for the regression coefficient, that is r into byx is what? R into sigma y upon sigma x, and bxy is equal to r into sigma x upon sigma y. If we have know these three things, r, sigma x, and standard deviation of x and y, and we know also the correlation coefficient, then we are going to find the regression coefficient, that is bxy and byx. Now we solve our next exercise, that is exercise 3.2, which is depending on this correlation coefficient and the regression coefficient bxy and byx. So let us start to solve our exercise. Remember this formula, that is Byx and Bxy. How to define this? Exercise 3.2, and what is question 1 here? See, first question in our exercise 3.2. For a bivariate data means two variable, that means x and y here. X bar is 53, that means here we have given the means. X bar is 53 and y bar is 28. 53 and y bar is equal to 28, and Byx minus 1.2. Byx is minus 1.2. Bxy minus 0.3. Now the most important thing is that the sign of Bxy and Byx are always same. If it is different, if sign of Bxy is positive and the sign of Byx is negative, then the data is said to be inconsistent. Inconsistent if Bxy and Byx have opposite signs. That means if we have to solve these problems, that means first we have to check whether the sign of this Bxy and Byx are same or not. So if it is not same, then the data is inconsistent, and if the signs are both signs of both are same, then we say that the data is consistent. We can solve this example and find the correlation coefficient between x and y. First question is find correlation coefficient, that is denoted by R. Since first here we are going to find the value of R. Second thing is that estimate y for x is equal to 50. Y for x is equal to 50. That means first we have to find the regression coefficient of y on x, and the third question, estimate x for y is equal to 25. X for y equals to 25. That means regression of x on y. So first here we are going to find our first question, that is correlation coefficient, which is denoted by small r. And what is formula for this? R is equal to plus minus under root Byx into Bxy. First write the formula for this. Now see here, sign of this both Bxy and Byx are negative, and we know that the sign of R is depending on the sign of the Bxy and Byx. The both are negative, so take here minus sign. What is Bxy? Minus 1.2 and the Bx 0.3. If you take the product of these two, both are negative, since it become positive, and 12 3s are 36 and 2 digits, hence it is 0.36. And if you take the square root of 0.36, hence it is 0.6. Therefore, first value here we find, that is correlation coefficient R is equal to minus 0.6. Now here we have to find our next second question, that is estimate y for x is equal to 50. That means first here we have to find the regression coefficient of y on x. So first find the regression coefficient. Therefore, first find regression coefficient of y on x. That means Byx. Now here, how to find the formula for Byx? Here already we have given the formula of Byx and Byx. Since we directly find the regression equation first, therefore regression equation of y on x is what? Y minus y bar is Byx into x minus x bar. Y minus y bar. What is y bar? 28. What is value of Byx? Minus 1.2 into x minus x bar 53. Therefore, 1 minus 28 is equal to minus 1.2x minus minus plus 1.2 into 53 minus 1.2x plus 12 3s are 36, carry 3, and 12 5s are 60. 60 plus 3, that is 63, and 1 digit, hence it is 63. Therefore y is equal to minus 1.2x minus 28, in this side it become plus 28, 63.6. Therefore y is equal to minus 1.2x plus 28, 8 to the 11, 91.6. We have to get the regression equation of y on x, but we have to estimate this y for x is equal to 50. Therefore, for x is equal to 50. So instead of x, write 50. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1.2 into 50, 91.6. Therefore, y is equal to minus 12 5s are 60, and if 1 0, then 60.0, hence it is minus 60 plus 91.6. Then if we take this subtraction in between, then therefore we will get y is equal to minus 60 plus 91.6. Therefore y is equal to minus 60 plus 91.6. The minus 60 plus 91, that is 31.6. Here we estimate y when our x is equal to 50. Now the second question is what? Estimate x for y is equal to 25. So we have to first find the regression equation of x on y. Second, regression equation of x on y. Third question, regression equation of x on y, that means x minus x bar dx bar into y minus y bar. What is x? X bar 53 is equal to what is bx bar? Minus 0.3 into y minus y bar is 28. Therefore x minus 53 minus 0.3 y. Now here minus minus it become plus 23, 3 8s are 24, carry 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8, that is 8.4. Therefore x is equal to the minus sign, here it become plus 0.31 plus 53 plus 8.4. Therefore x is equal to minus 0.3y plus 53 plus 8, 8 3 plus 11, that is 8 plus 3, 11, carry 1, 61.4. But here we have to estimate x for y is equal to 25. Therefore, for y is equal to 25. Hence, x is equal to minus 0.3 into 25 plus 61.4. And if we take multiplication, then 25, that is minus 7.5. 25 3s are 75 and 1 decimal is 75. Therefore, plus 61.4. Therefore, x is equal to, we will get 61.4 minus 7.5, since it is equal to 53.9. Therefore, value of x is 53.9. So, this is our first question in exercise 3.2. Now, next question, that is second question. From the data of 20 pairs of observations in x and y, following results are obtained. X bar is 199, y bar 94. That means here we have to give mean of x bar and y bar. Next, xi minus x bar square, that is 1200. yi minus y bar square 300, and xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar minus 250. Then first question is asked here, that is the line of regression of y on x, and the second regression of line of x on y, and the third one is correlation coefficient. Now this is again same as our question number 1. Here only sequence is changed. First, in first example we first find the correlation coefficient, and here we have to, in third question we have to find the correlation coefficient. So first write the given data. What is given values here? Given question 2, x bar 99, 199, y bar is equal to 94, summation xi minus x bar square 1200, summation yi minus y bar square 300. Next one, that is summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar. yi minus y bar, that is minus 250. And first question, that is first you have to find the line of regression of y on x. Since first you have to find the b1x. First question, line of regression of y on x. That means first we find b1x. What is formula for b1x? That is summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar divided by summation. पुन्हावरती रिग्रेशन है x वरती है, so take variance of x. Summation xi minus x bar square. Now what is the value of the summation xi? That is minus 250 upon xi minus x bar summation, that is 1200. Since here minus 25 upon 120, if we divide this by 5, then we will get, first if we divide it by 5, then minus 5 is 25 and 5 2s are 10, again it is 25. So since we get the value of b by x is equal to minus 5 upon 24. Now don't take a division of this minus 5 upon 24, directly use this value. Therefore the line of regression, what is the equation for line of regression of y on x? That is y minus y bar is equal to b by x into x minus x bar. Since y minus y bar, what is mean of y? That is 94, is equal to b by x minus 5 upon 24 into x minus mean of x bar 199. First solve the bracket. Now here 24 is divided, so in this side get multiplies. Therefore 24y minus 24 into 94 is equal to minus 5x, and the minus minus it become plus here. Now take the product of these two. 9 5s are 45, since carry 4. Again 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 4, that is 49, again carry 4, and 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 4 9, since it is 995. Now take the product of this, that is 24y minus 24 into 94. If we take the product of 24 into 94, then we will get 2256 is equal to minus 5x plus 995. Therefore the minus 5x in this side it become plus 5x plus 24, and the minus here it become 2256 plus 995. Hence we get 5x plus 24y 65, that is 2256, 65 11, carry 1, 9 plus 1 or 10, 10 plus 1 15, again carry 1, 9 plus 3, that is 12, and 1, that is 3251. So first we will get the regression equation of y on x, that is 5x plus 24y is equal to 3251. Now second question, that means we have to find the next, that is linear regression equation of x on y. So first we have to find the regression coefficient, that is bxy. Line of regression of x on y, that is bxy is equal to summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar divided by, पुनरावृत्ति regression है y वरती है, since yi minus y bar square. What is summation? Product of these two given, that is minus 250, and the summation yr, that is 300. Hence here again 1 0 will get cancelled. Again 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. Since here we will get the regression coefficient of dx1 minus 5 upon 6. So from this we will find the regression, line of regression. Since what is equation? X minus x bar is equal to bx1 into y minus y bar. Therefore x minus x bar. What is mean x bar? 199. Write the bx bar as it is, minus 5 upon 6 into y minus mean of y bar 94. Now again simplify this. Again the 6 is different here, so in this side it get multiplied. Therefore 6x minus 199 into 6 is equal to minus 5y. Again the minus minus will become plus, and 5 into 94. 5 4s are 20, carry 2, and 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 2 47, that is 470. Next 6x minus 196. 9 6 are 54, carry 5. Again 9 6 are 54. 54 plus this 5, that is 59. Again carry 5. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 5 11 minus 5y plus 4 70. Therefore the minus 5 here it become plus 5y, and the minus in this side it become 11 9 4 plus 4 70. That means 6x plus 5y. 4 plus 0 4. 7 plus 9 16. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 1 6. 1 6 6 4. So this is a line of regression of x on y, and this is a, here we find the first equation, that is line of regression. So first one, line of regression of y on x, and this is a line of regression of x on y. Now the third question, here we have to find, that is correlation in between x and y. Correlation coefficient between x and y, which is denoted by small r. And what is formula for this? Plus minus under root bx1 into bx1. Here both the bx1 and byx are both negative. Hence take minus sign here. What is value of bx1? Minus 5 upon 6. And value of byx is minus 5 upon 24. Therefore minus, now here minus minus it become plus 25, and 6 4 is 144. If we take the square root 25, that is 5, and square root of 144, it is 12. Therefore correlation coefficient between x and y, which is minus 5 upon 12. This is properties of regression coefficient. Now this third question is a very easy question, but it is so lengthy, so this question we take in next lecture.